Okay, sound check. Sound check. Are you giving me the silent treatment? I don't know, you seem a little stiff today. Finally, I have some space. How does it feel? How does it feel?
Oy vey.
Hello everyone. John couldn't be here for real because we are in our busy season at work, which means that the holidays are coming, and I thought I would do another solo baking segment. So I am going to be making peanut butter chocolate cookies, and the secret sauce is that I use peanut butter cups, mini ones, all cut up with some peanut butter cup morsels and chocolate morsels and all kinds of good stuff. So let me switch cameras and let's get started. Okay folks, first things first. I have my oven preheating on 350, and I took a pan and I laid out parchment paper. So this is my handy dandy KitchenAid, and the first thing I am going to put in there is 3/4 cups of light brown sugar and 3/4 cups of regular sugar. Put that all in there. And then I'm going to take 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks. They're a little soft. I left them out so they'd be easier to cream. Let's lock this up and turn this baby on. Okay, so that's creaming up nice. Okay. Now I'm just gonna get that off there. I love this thing, I really do. It makes it so much easier than using the handheld. It does it so nice. It did it in 2 seconds. Okay, so now that that's all done, I am going to take 2 eggs. Okay, clean up my mess. Try to clean as I go. All right. Add a little bit. Okay, so that's all done. So now I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I can only find my half teaspoon measurement, so it's 1, 2, actually it's 1 teaspoon and 1/4. So now I'm going to take the 1/4 teaspoon and add that 1/4 in. I'll have the ingredients and directions in the description box below. And then I'm going to make a mess on the floor. And then I'm going to take peanut butter. I hope you could see this. Can you see this? Yeah, you can. This is Skippy. You can use whatever. Just make sure it's creamy, and it has to be 3/4 cups. So I'm gonna have to open this and scoop that all out of the container. I know it's about 3/4. I use my eye. You can use a measuring cup, but I feel like it gets all stuck. But I have baked so many things and made this a couple of times that I pretty much know what 3/4 looks like. If my husband is here, he'd probably say, no you don't, but I do. Alright. I'm gonna put that a little higher because the peanut butter is a little creamy. Alright, look how fast I did that. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, let's just clean her up a little bit. So this is cocoa powder. I forgot the measurement. I think it's 3/4. Again, I'll put it in the bottom. Cocoa powder, flour. I think the flour is about 2 1/4, and a little bit of salt and about a teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm just gonna put a little in, not too much, just to get it started. And make sure you use the good cocoa powder. Don't use the crappy kind. It makes a difference. You know which ones are crappy. You know which ones are good. Give her a whirl. Okay. It smells so good. It smells like peanut butter cups. I love it. Peanut butter chocolate. Nothing like making them from scratch and not using boxed. It just makes such a difference. I don't care what anybody says. Plus people know you made an effort. Look at that already. Loving it. Okay. Okay. And now, pretty much gonna put the rest in. All good. I'm gonna put it a little higher. Not too high, flour will be all over the place. Let's get some of that off. It almost looks like ice cream, right? This is gonna be so good. Cannot wait. I mean, most people like chocolate chip. Chocolate peanut butter. I mean, I don't know anybody that doesn't really like it. The people who don't like it, it's not they don't like it. They just don't go for it all the time. But I'm telling you, if they have these cookies, they will change their mind. Okay. Woo. Don't break your machine. And try to get most of this out. I'm gonna take this off and I'll be right back. I wanted to tell you all, I tasted a little bit and it is delish. So now comes the fun part. You take the halved mini Reese's peanut butter cups, about 20 of them, and then you mix them with 3/4 cups of semi sweet chocolate chips, because you don't want it to be too sweet, and then the peanut butter cup morsels as well. And excuse my hands, guys. I need a manicure so bad. And I've been washing my hands so much that my nails are all breaking. They're pretty strong with this water because I'm just so afraid of everything. I'm just constantly washing my hands. Okay, and you just fold it in. Don't go crazy mixing. You don't want to break the peanut butter cups. I'm going to add a little more morsels. Fold that in. Fold, fold, fold. That's the biggest thing with baking. Always folding. Gotta know when holding, know when to fold them. This is why I don't do videos by myself. Cause I make up stupid songs while I fold. And I also take all day to set up. Cause I do the one woman show thing when I'm baking. Alright folks, if you unsubscribe, I totally understand why. Oh my goodness, it's starting to get all thick. I'm actually panting. I hope I'm not going off camera. Let me just check. Because I'm stirring so vigorously. Not stirring, folding. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Don't want to overdo it. I can always do the rest with my hands. I will be right back with the baking sheet. Okay folks, my oven has preheated. I'm going to take this, I got this ice cream scooper with something we had from the store. If you don't know by now, if you've been watching our videos, we own 2 home decor, kitchen and bath stores, blah, blah, blah. And this was part of some kind of ice cream scooper bowl set thingy. All right, anyway, I'll just show you. I'm gonna take it and my handle's broken. Alright, whatever. And I'm gonna make a little, I'm gonna do it a little smaller. There we go. I'm gonna do a little scoop. And I noticed this didn't have peanut butter cup in it, so I'll put it in there. So not missing. See, not too big, not too small. And then I am just going to space them, put them all in the pan. Okay, here they are, all ready to go. And if you see some of your peanut butter cup break in there, it's totally okay. They're gonna melt and break in there. Just make sure there's one of each so everybody can get that chocolatey peanut butter goodness in each cookie. So I'm gonna put these in the oven for about 10 minutes and let's see how they look. It's okay. It's just a cardboard cutout. Oh, she's scared. She doesn't understand. Okay, guys, here they are out of the oven. I actually had to put them on for 12 minutes, but look how good they look. Yummy. Can't wait to try. Okay, everyone, here is the moment of truth. We need to see how good or bad they are, but they smell so good. They're nice and gooey inside. You could see all that peanut butteriness. Oh my god, it's so good. And it's still a little warm. Guys, make this. It's not that hard. It's delicious. They're not overly sweet. If you don't like these, then you're the Grinch. Have a great holiday.
Jayne thinks this is the best version of me to record with. I guess because I can't say anything. You be the judge. Watch the rest of our videos and let us know which version of me you like best.